So here we have a bookstore app where we will have options to manage different branches where the bookstore is. Then we will have the inventory at every bookstore location. Then we will have an admin who can view and create branches and view all the inventory, all the branches, manage them. And then we will have individual branch managers who will be able to see only their branches, inventory at their branches. They can't see the inventory and the branch details of the branch that they don't belong to. And then we will have even the customers to enroll on this app and make purchases for the books at various branch locations. So for security reason, admin is already enrolled as authenticated user. The branch managers and the users will enroll through this portal through the sign up feature. So to start with, let's log in with admin who already exists. So here we go. So authentication happened. The user name is admin. The role is admin. So there are no branches. We click here. There are no inventory. So let's start with adding a branch. So we add a branch. So when we add a branch, we assign a secret code so that when the branch manager signs up, so for security reason, they will have to provide a secret code which should match here. Then only system will know that okay, you are the right person to enroll as branch manager for this branch code. So let's keep it simple. So 5 times 1, that's secret code. Then branch 1, and then maybe put something. Okay, so let's add this branch. If we go to inventory, we see there is no inventory, so we can add books at different branch locations. So admin can add books at any branch location. So when we do admin, okay, so for example, that book 1 branch, maybe we can say book 1 branch 1 by admin, book 1 branch 1 by admin, and then maybe anything, maybe $51 maybe, and branch ID, let's put 5. So whatever branch ID was there, and then quantity maybe 10 books. So we add that book. First branch manager signs up. So let's put branch manager 1. So now we decide on the role. So manager role. So if we get manager role, then you have to provide the secret code, otherwise it will fail. So secret code was 5 times 1. So now this guy will create account, and that was successful. User created successfully. So let's log in. So now we log in here, and we see only one branch. The branch 5, the branch 1, the ID was 5, and when we go to the inventory, we see the book because that book was added for this branch. So so now this guy can add more books. This guy can even make some changes to the branch details. Maybe make this one 1, and then update. Update was successful. You can go back and see it was right. There is a back button also. Now let's add a book. One book is already there. So branch 1 book 1. Okay, and then description, maybe branch 1 book 1, author, price maybe $41, and quantity is 27, and then add new book. So now there are 2 books for this branch. So admin sees 2 branches and admin sees three books. You can see the book of branch 1, the branch 1 book 1 added by admin, branch 1 book 1 added by manager, and branch 1 book 1 branch 2. So all three books are visible. So we can manage the count of the books. Like for example, this book inventory already exists. You can change the quantity, maybe like from 10 books to become the 12 books. You update. So this is book 1 branch 2. So update that, become 12. So come here again, there are 12 books. You can do a back. So this update of quantity can even branch manager can do. So this feature is available for both. And then updating the branch detail, even the branch manager and admin both can do. Okay, and you see the role admin and admin role and username admin. So now we have two books, they have some quantity, and we are able to manage it, the branch detail and the book inventory count and everything. Now let's log in as a customer and see what happens. So customer will see all the branch, the customer will see all the books, but they can't make changes, they can only make a purchase. So let's see how that works. We log out, and now we want to log in as a customer. So maybe we can say customer, then customer, and maybe, so this time you log in as a, you sign up as a customer. So there is no secret code needed. We just create account, and account created successfully. Let's log in. Log in here. I think we had 4 times 3, I think. Let me try. So that we see that if you give a wrong password, what happens? I think I gave 4 or 5 times. Sorry. Okay. So yeah. So if you give wrong password, you can't log in. And if you give right password, you log in. This time your role is customer. Your name is cust. You see both the branches. You see all the books because you can do purchase anywhere. So, but if you try to click on the branch, you don't see any like update button or something. You can only don't see a delete button also. You just see, you can view the details. Okay, if you want to know where the branch exists, and that really is not important because here we are for online purchase. So you go to inventory, you see, oh yeah, there are 3 books. Maybe if this guy is interested in this book, book 1, maybe book 1 and branch 1, click on that. You see, oh, there are 27 books. So what if this guy says, okay, let me buy 28 books, which is not possible. So we will see some error. Credit card number, maybe we put something, CVV. Okay, so if you try to make a purchase, it will give you error. Requested book quantity not available, definitely. So what if you try to make zero purchase, no book to purchase? It gives invalid purchase quantity. So you have to give something which is less than this and is a positive number. So let's try to see if you want to buy 2 books. So this books count will reduce from 27 to 25, and then these details are here. So this was book 1, branch 1. You buy that, and that is successful. So now you can go and see the transaction, what happened. So you see the transaction history, like okay, this purchase happened, and this is the total price that you paid because I bought 2 books. It was $41, so you 82.